the stock market. There is no doubt that the stock market is overvalued, right? There's no doubt. It doesn't matter who you talk to. It doesn't matter what metric that you use. We are certainly in an overvaluation situation. There's no doubt about it. However, as we go forward, we know that the central bank can manipulate the market in such a way that it continues going up. So we're not saying that the market is going to crash today, tomorrow. We're not looking at those things. We're looking at the actual debt. And we're looking at the actual ability of the Federal Reserve to maintain the illusion of prosperity. We worship at the altar of growth today. Growth is everything. This has been one of the most alarming things that I have seen as I've been a trader, and I've even seen this more so over the last 20 years as a trader. I have seen everything go out the window when it comes to fundamentals, except for one major fundamental, and that is growth. Right? We will sacrifice anything and everything for growth. Economic growth, stock growth, income growth, wage growth, home price growth. I mean, just whatever it is, as long as it's growing, right? That's what we want. Even though it's coming with lots of debt attached to it, even though it comes with a huge interest payment price tag next to it, all we want is growth. And so you can see from this slide here that back in the 1950s, we could inject about $1 to $2 of debt into the economy and reliably get $1 of GDP or output, economic output back. So debt kind of made sense. So you put $1 in or $2 in, and you would get $1 of GDP out. So, it wasn't nearly as dangerous. Today, however, it takes $4 or $5 of artificially created debt injected into the economy just to get $1 back of output or GDP. This, of course, is very negative. In China, it's worse. In other countries, it's even higher. But $6 to $8 of debt must be injected into China just to get $1 of economic output back. This is not a very sustainable situation. And of course, it's meaning that we're having to go into massive debt all around the world as a result.